The Texas Storytelling Festival has kept the art of storytelling alive for more than 41 years.
This place is in town. Why don't you go into Denton and eat?
From folk tales to personal memories, every story has a place here.
This year we make a big focus on three things: learning how to tell stories, practicing telling stories, and performing telling stories. So we have workshops where people learn how to tell stories, and then we have guild meetings and places where they get a chance to practice. And then if they're really good, they end up here at the festival and get a chance to actually perform.
There's something for everyone. Workshops, family tales, storytelling concerts, all happening across multiple venues in Quakertown Park.
Not only is it a wonderful place to come and listen to stories, but if you have a story to tell, there are wonderful opportunities here. There are poetry slams and story slams, but we also have workshops. It's definitely a place to come, not just to hear, but also to learn.
For many people, attending this festival in Denton has become a tradition, whether it's listening or telling a story.
One by one. I love the community. It's like coming home. They're like family, and it's always fun to see the new ones coming in, people bringing their children and their grandchildren.
It's the stories and the people behind them that keep people coming back for decades.
Storytellers always have a story. If there's a story going on stage, you get to hear those. If you're sitting over lunch, you get to hear those. It's a storytelling feast.
And there's always a story waiting to be heard. Perhaps the next one will be shared by you, here at the next Texas Storytelling Festival. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.